How much do you want it? How much do you want to grow on YouTube? How much do you want to start a new business? How much do you want to put off that thing that you've been putting off for way too long? Do you want it so much that you're going to pursue it no matter what happens? Do you want it so much that even when there's lots of things in the road, do you want it so much that you push through the creative blocks, that you push through the obstacles, that you get up and do it even when you don't feel like it? You really got to ask yourself, how much do I want this thing? Because there's going to be tons of days when you just don't feel like doing it. People around you say, give up, it's not worth it, you're not going to make it. And you're going to want to believe their lies. You're going to start to think, what progress have I really made? Can I really do this? Is this really a dream that I can possibly fulfill? You're going to want to give up. It's going to get super hard. But once again, how much do you want it? Are you willing to deny yourself, to take up your cross? Do you want it so much that you're willing to fight through the stress, fight through the roadblocks? And on the hardest days when you just want to throw your hands in the air and give up, are you willing to get up and do it anyway? Because that's what it's going to take. Very few people have life handed to them. Most people who succeed have to get up even when it's hard, over and over and over again. You have to have the drive to say, I'm going to make this work and I'm going to see it happen. I'm not going to keep on putting off what I wanted to do for so long. This time around is going to be different. I'm going to attack this with both hands, both feet, my whole mind, every ounce of my energy. This time around, failure is not an option. Even when it seems like I'm failing, I know that I'm going to succeed because I'm going to make sure that I succeed. And even when I fail, even when I know that I've messed up, even when there's major setbacks, I'm going to see these as just part of the process to say, I'm learning from these things so that I will succeed this time. How much do you want it? Do you want it so much that failure truly is not an option? Do you want it so much that even when everyone else in the world thinks that you're crazy, you know that you're going to make it happen? Do you want it so much that there truly is nothing that can stop you? You have to believe in yourself, believe in your dream that much. Or else, yeah, you might fail. Or else, yeah, you probably will give up when things get hard. The true test of whether you're going to succeed this time around is that you say, no matter what, I will make this happen. Is that your mindset? Are you that determined to make it happen? This time around, I am. I've given up in the past. I've gone long periods of time without uploading a video to this channel. I've said to myself, maybe I should try a different thing. Maybe I can't do it. Maybe I'm just not cut out for this. But I've decided at this point, I'm gonna make it happen, no matter what it takes. And of course, all things in balance. There are more important things in life. Family first, faith first, but putting first things first. When it comes to this channel, nothing's gonna get in the way. I'm gonna make it happen. And if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.